In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive link, making it easy to share files with others quickly and efficiently. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing family photos, or sending important documents, creating a shareable link in OneDrive is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your file sharing. Let's begin by ensuring you're signed into your OneDrive account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the OneDrive website and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with your OneDrive homepage, a central hub where all your files and folders are conveniently stored. Now, take a moment to locate the file or folder you wish to generate a link for. As you browse through your folders, keep an eye out for the one you'd like to share. Once found, hover over it. You'll notice 3 vertical dots or an ellipsis appear next to the file or folder name. Clicking on this ellipsis will present a drop-down menu. Within this menu, search for the option labeled Share and select it. This action opens a new window where you can customize your sharing preferences. In this newly opened window, you have the opportunity to configure how you wish to share your file. Here, you'll see an option labeled Anyone with the link can view edit. By selecting this, you enable others to access the content simply by clicking the link. If you wish to refine who can access the file, click on the People in your organization option. This allows you to only share the file with people within your workplace or designated organization group. If additional security is a priority, you can further customize settings by setting expiration dates or passwords for the link by selecting a Set Expiration Date or Set Password. This adds an additional layer of protection, ensuring that access is controlled and temporary if desired. Once you've set your preferences, it's time to actually generate the link. Look for the button marked Copy Link or Get Link and click it. Doing so will create your unique shareable link and copy it to your clipboard. Having completed this setup, you are now ready to share your file or folder with others. Simply paste this link into an email, message, or any other communication method you prefer. Anyone with this link will be able to access the shared content based on the parameters you set. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to share your files using OneDrive links. Wasn't that straightforward? With these simple steps, you can now share your files whenever and with whomever you need. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.